Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best round glass tabletop is probably one of the most sought-after pieces for home decor, adding a touch of modern elegance and sophistication to any room. In this video, we will explore the top-rated round glass tabletops available on the market, comparing their features, durability, and overall value to help you make an informed decision and find the perfect one for your space and style, considering factors like size, thickness, and edge design. Number 5. Fab Glass 36 Round Tabletop. It's the perfect addition to any room. Its elegant design and high-quality construction make it a versatile choice for various settings. Made from 1/2-inch thick tempered glass, it's exceptionally durable and safe. The meticulous curing process ensures a flawless finish, free from air bubbles. It features a beautiful beveled edge, adding a touch of sophistication to its already elegant design. This detail elevates its aesthetic appeal. It's ideal for various uses, from dining and office settings to patios and coffee tables. It seamlessly blends into any decor. Find the perfect size for your space. It comes in a wide range of diameters to suit your needs. Check out the available sizes to find your ideal fit. Experience the difference of superior craftsmanship. It's built to last and will enhance the beauty of your home or office for years to come. What we like. It boasts a sizable 36 diameter and a classic beveled edge, perfect for making a statement. If you need a large, elegant glass top for your dining or office table, this is an excellent choice. Its tempered glass ensures both safety and durability, making it a long-lasting addition to your space. What people say. Excellent quality. It's beautifully clear, thick and beveled and has a high-end furniture look. Size and product perfect. It looks like it was made for my table. Tempered glass is important, gives if just a bit shaded, and bevel is nice. Very good quality round glass tabletop. The beveled edge is very smooth and the clear glass is a really good quality glass. Number 4. Better Bevel 24 Glass Tabletop. Upgrade your space with this stunning glass tabletop. It's made from high-quality, tempered glass for exceptional durability and safety. This isn't just any glass, it's shatter-resistant tempered glass, built to last. You can trust it to withstand daily use. Installation is a breeze. It comes with anti-slip bumpers to keep it securely in place, and the polished edges ensure safe handling. Find the perfect fit for your needs. It's available in 2 thicknesses and a wide range of sizes to suit any table. Its crystal clear design complements any decor. Use it as a dining tabletop, coffee tabletop, or even an end tabletop. Transform your living space with this elegant and functional glass tabletop. It's the perfect blend of style and durability. What we like. This 24-round glass top comes with anti-slip pads for secure placement, solving a common problem with glass tabletops. If you're looking for a safe and easy-to-install option that fits various table sizes, this is it. The availability of different thicknesses makes it suitable for both covering existing tables and creating new ones. What people say. Very sturdy with beautiful beveled edge. No blemishes in glass. Good fit. Much heavier than I expected, but it feels solid and of good quality. Good on thickness, is functional, even comes with rubber scratch prevention discs. Number 3. Spancraft 22 Round Glass Top. This stunning glass tabletop is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your home. Its tempered glass construction ensures durability and safety for years to come. It's made of tempered glass, 4 to 5 times stronger than standard glass. This makes it resistant to shattering, scratches, and temperature changes. The half-inch thickness and expertly polished beveled edge give it a sleek, modern look. It's safe and stylish for any room in your house. Rubber bumpers are included to prevent slippage and ensure stability. They protect both your table and the glass top. It's ideal for dining tables, end tables, patio tables, and more. This versatile top is a great addition to any space. Transform your existing table or create a stunning new one with this beautiful and durable glass top. Order yours today. What we like. This 22-inch tempered glass top offers both style and safety. Its beveled edge provides a sleek, modern look, while the tempered glass ensures durability. If you want a beautiful and long-lasting replacement or accent tabletop, this is a great option for smaller spaces or side tables. What people say. 1 foot 2 inches thick tempered glass. Really nice beveled edge and then polished. Super well packaged. Perfect thickness for tabletop. The bevel adds interest and gives my table an upgraded appearance. Converted large pots into side tables. Glass tops are equal in quality to those that I've ordered custom and half the price. Number 2. Fab Glass 32 Round Tabletop. It's the perfect addition to any room. Its elegant design complements various styles, from modern to classic. Made from high-quality tempered glass, it's incredibly durable and resistant to damage. You can trust it to last. The curing process ensures it's virtually flawless, with no air bubbles. Enjoy its exceptional clarity. It comes in a wide range of sizes to fit your needs. Find the perfect size for your space. It's ideal for offices, dining rooms, or even outdoor patios. It elevates any space with its sleek design. The flat, polished edges provide a refined look and feel, ensuring safety and style. It's a piece you'll be proud to own. Transform your table with this stunning glass top. Its simple elegance adds sophistication to any setting. What we like? This 32-inch round glass top features a clean, flat polished edge for a contemporary look. If you prefer a minimalist aesthetic and need a durable, high-quality glass top for your table, this is the perfect choice. The tempered glass construction ensures safety and longevity. Number 1. FamiworthsPro Safe Glass Tabletop. This stunning 27-inch round glass tabletop is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your home. It's made from high-quality, tempered glass for both beauty and durability. With its 27-inch diameter, it's the ideal size for a variety of spaces and settings. The round shape adds a modern and inviting feel to any room. It's crafted from 1 4-inch thick tempered glass, ensuring exceptional strength and safety. You can trust it to withstand everyday use. The flat polished edge provides a sleek, refined look. It's both beautiful and safe to the touch. Made with lead-free glass, it's a safe and healthy choice for your family. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it meets the highest safety standards. It arrives expertly packaged to guarantee it reaches you in perfect condition. We take great care in protecting your investment. What we like? At 27 in diameter and a thinner 1/4 thickness, it's a lightweight yet sturdy option. If you're looking for a simple, cost-effective glass top for a smaller table, this is a great choice. Its flat polished edge gives it a modern, understated look. What people say. The glass elevated the look of my table. I needed a round glass top for a wrought iron table. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.